Hello. My microphone's working, yes. Yes. Everything in the setup is like needing a update. Keyboard, mouse, microphone, camera. Camera's like 720p quality. Today gonna be doing some more leak code as well. Hello, Original. What are you up to? Oh. That's it. Oh, I forgot to take the Hoover downstairs. That's crazy. Hopefully this one isn't copyrighted. It's not? Oh, okay. I don't believe it is. Doing the, like, what's it called? Studying the theory test for your driving license. Alright. Good luck, man. I did my theory test about 6 months ago. And I failed the first time actually. But the second time I passed. So it's a bit hard. I think the statistic is like 50% of people fail the theory test the first time. It's completely normal. You got 10 out of 10, nice. But the practical part of the theory test is easy. I passed that first try. You'll do well. No stress, man. Romanian weed, where? We're talking about Romanian weed. The chat is still broken, by the way. I couldn't find a way to fix it. I'm still trying to fix it. Is it like that? Yeah. Yeah, it's cooked. It's broken. What do you mean overlay doesn't exist? I just made it. MD, what do you mean Romanian weed? You're confusing me, man. You're talking about the weed hat, it's downstairs. Romanian man accidentally drank 50 liters of beer while attempting to implement linked list in C++. What on earth are you talking about, man? What the blood clot are you talking about? Come on, man. Let's get straight onto the leak code. Do interval merging. Bro, you think I know what that word means? I'm just gonna go on the easiest problem. Apart from Tucson. That's not easy, what am I talking about? Hash maps are not easy. Okay, let's see. The easiest problems in leak code. Interval merging. Let's see what you're talking about. Let's see what you're chatting about. I know why the chatbot wasn't working. It's because I was on Twitch mode instead of YouTube mode. Sick. Bloody sick. Sick. How do I get this? Oh, it's a super theme. It costs money. Did you see in the Discord server whom you got the same score as you? Let's see what you're talking about. What? In the bot commands? What score? Oh, you're talking about the... Where is it? You're talking about the leak code problem. Yeah. Yeah, he got that one as well. 0 millisecond, 100% beats. Beats 100%. So his one is 8.5 megabytes, and yours is... Wait, I don't want to leak my DMs, one sec. Oh, you didn't show me how many megabytes yours took. Silly Billy. Right, interval merging is combining intervals that overlap or touch each other into a single unified interval. Bro, what? Bro, don't confuse me. It's too late. I don't want to be confused this late. Gabe should beat me so I can work again. What? Wait, I think I'm gonna mess around with the settings again in OBS. I need to get this chat box to work. Come on, man. No. Wait. Is it because it's behind? It's overlapping. So the chat box has been working all this time. It's just been behind the video capture element. Okay, I don't know what this is. Let's try again. But it works. So that's why you should not drink and type in random people's chat. Do you mind not drinking? I mean, we advocate sober people in this community, my brother. I mean, off camera, different story. Whoa, oh. All right, let's add a widget stream chat. It works. It works. The chat works. It works. Okay. Yes! It works. Get sober, what an advice. Jokes on you, you're very early today. Linux, this is the first time you've been early to my streams. Good on you. Well, I got the chat box fixed. How long have we been streaming for? We've been streaming for like 7 minutes. Finally fixed the chat box. I think that's already a W in the stream. W in the chat. Crazy. Okay, right. Now we got chat there. You know, Windows still confuses me to this day. Anyway, let's get back on this leak code problem. Linux, I'm proud of you for joining early for once, by the way. Don't know if I said. Alright, what do you guys think the easiest problem is? Reversed linked list. That implies you know what a linked list is. Okay, FizzBuzz. Oh, that's funny. That's so funny. I literally taught FizzBuzz on this YouTube channel like 3 years ago. Oh, that's so funny. This is cute, right? I haven't done FizzBuzz in C++ in my life before, but theoretically I should be getting it first try because I know the exact knowledge in Python. It's just the logic is the exact same. Cat orange whistling. All good, all good. Let's get started. We need to return a vector string. So given an integer n, return a string array answer where one indexed. For int I. One index. Oh, so we start at number 1 then for some reason. That's crazy. I is less than equal to n. Forgot to add it. This is just a warm up, by the way. This isn't the actual problem of the stream. Yeah, I know FizzBuzz is easy. Crazy easy. Alright. Let's see if I can put my worth to my mouth. That's not the expression. Let's see if I'm right. Anyway. So we do Is it pushback? What is curly braces? Bro, ask the creators of C++. Linux, is it pushback? The correct one. I'm just trying to pre-optimize it. I'm trying to pre-optimize it. Pushback. Yeah, but there's another one like elamp. Had the same problem last stream. It starts with the letter E. Anyway, I'll just do that. Whatever. Wait. I meant to do I instead of N. Now, if I don't get it correct first try, I allow all of you to DDoS me. Ethically. Because otherwise that would be a disgrace. If there's a syntax error, okay, fair enough. If there's a syntax error, then you can leave me alone. Because I'm still learning this, but... And then we've got to return the array, isn't it? Okay, let's see if I remember how to statically change the int. Is it like static convert static? Oh, what is it? Oh wait, I'm not gonna search it up. I just remembered the answer. I learned it yesterday. If you want to convert an integer to a string, use the toString function. Okay. Alright, all good, all good. Now let me make it look pretty. You good? Alright. So I beat 50% of people. Good warm up for the stream. Now multi-threaded, I do not know how to do that in this language. So we're not gonna do that. It took 1 millisecond. Ready to be hired by NASA. I'm ready to hire NASA. NASA is going to be begging to be hired by me. They can put on their CV, hired by CodeGabe. Wait, I want to make it more efficient, right? Parham, welcome. How you doing, Parham? I just did a... what was it called? FizzBuzz. I'm thinking to make it more efficient, after each of these returns, I can just... after all of these pushback functions, I can just do a return, and then it will skip. I'm just doing this leak code thing, man. If I break, right? No, I meant continue, right? I'm not sure if this syntax is correct. I'm just gonna check it out. No, it's not, okay. That's not how the syntax works. Okay, fair enough. I have an idea of making it like more efficient. I'm just gonna try it out and then I'll move on to something else. Forgot the semicolon. Okay, so I got 1 millisecond beats 53%. Let's see if this one beats more, like better than that. I just made it worse, what the fuck? Bro, what? How'd that make it worse? The much simpler code much better. Well, yeah, but shouldn't be. What? Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Not gonna embarrass myself with my false optimization practices. Right, whatever. My first submission, I got it in 1 millisecond, so that's good. Anyway, let's move on. What's the easy problem, right? We've got toSum. I don't want to do that. Reversed linked list. Merge two sorted lists. Oh. That's a complicated algorithm. I remember when I had to like memorize merge sort in my GCSE for computer science. It was really long. It was like a full A4 piece of paper. And we had to write it down with a pencil. Remove duplicates from sorted array. That should be easy. How would I do that? No way, I forgot my water downstairs. Right, I'll be back in a minute. Get some water. Oh, hello. Hello, hello. Did anyone abandon me? Okay. Palindrome number. I did that one, blood. Super easy problem. Let's check this one out. I did it. But I gotta ask, what's it's called the hash map, isn't it? What's the equivalent of a dictionary in Python? I think it's a hash map. But how do I make one? Yeah, it's called a hash map. Unordered map. Alright. How to make a hash map in C++. You're pretty sure? What are you pretty sure about? The key and the values, okay. There's built-in one. It seems so. Unordered map is in the STL. Unordered map. But that means there has to be an ordered map as well. Right? Theoretically. There's an... Oh, wait. That's not built in, is it? I mean, there has to be a built-in one. It's a data structure. Built in hash map C++. There has to be. Apparently not, Linux. I mean, you could make your own hash map, yeah, with 2 separate lists. One is the index, one is the value. Anyway, let's see this one. Given an integer num, repeatedly add all its digits until the result only has 1 digit and return it. Huh? What? Repeatedly add, oh, all its singular digits, okay. So you want me to return the singular digit? Three plus 8 is 11. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. Until it has 1 digit. Oh, okay. Okay, this seems quite nice. Can you do it without any loop? Blood, no. You need a loop for this, man. How are you gonna do it without a loop? Interesting, okay. Try this out. So we're definitely going to need to do some string conversion. So string num, yes. I keep on getting distracted that the only function in the file isn't called main, it's called add digits. I keep on thinking, why isn't there a main? And then I realized it's a class. But yeah, alright, let's go. So we got it into a number, into a string, I mean. Now if we just do simply the concatenations. Welcome everyone new to the stream, by the way. Just doing some leak code now. Okay. Do I need a sum? Answer. Let's see if we can do answer equals oh wait, the digits can be up to 2 to the power of 31. Okay, I did not see that. Done equals false in C++. I didn't put the equal sign. What are you talking about? Where's the equal sign? This is the para 31. Okay, well I can't do that then. I'm gonna need a for loop. Okay, I'll just get a range. So for is less than length plus plus. The music too loud. OBS says it is a bit loud. What are you guys saying though? Okay. That's gonna loop. Wait. Okay, I think that should work, right? Logically. That would work. And then we just do answer equals no, that's the number, that's the length. Do string num at position 0 plus string num at position 1. No, wait. I gotta convert it to integers as well. String to integer in C++. STOI. STOI, okay, let's try that one. It's not gonna work though. Okay, I'm just gonna have to loop for it. Plus equals I. Let's do some debugging. See what the answer gives us now. What's wrong with that? Is the curly braces is the problem? It's not. Okay, it complained about the curly braces being there. Now it's complaining that it's not there. Oh, okay. It has to return a thing. All right. I gotta learn to read the errors. We'll learn at some point. So what does it output? 107. So the input was 38. So all I did was 3 plus 8, which would be 38 because it's still a string at this point. I didn't convert it to an integer. How on earth did I get 107? Hey, hi from Mexico. Hello from Mexico, El Rey Pacal. How are you this fine evening? Well, I guess for you in Mexico it's afternoon. You guys are like 8 hours behind us, isn't it? From the UK. It's still daytime for you, isn't it? Boiling hot there. I'm gonna visit Mexico one day. I want to see how many new friends I can make. You know what I mean? Oh, I get it. I get it. I need to do a -1 there because the length is at 1 above thingy, my baby. That's it. And he gives us a different answer. Okay. And now, about was it 2 streams ago, we had the same problem, and I think it's this. It's returning a character, but it's like turning it into ASCII. So I think that's the problem, right? ASCII to string, C++. Hey Peter. What's good, Peter? Peter the Eater. Static cast car. That's not what I had to do last time. But it might work. Oh wait, no. It's giving me the opposite function. It's giving me integer to ASCII. No, I read it wrong, my bad. Okay, it should be this one. Static cast car. Okay. That's not gonna work. I know this isn't gonna work, but I'm still gonna try it. Yeah, I know it's not gonna work. Let's try this one then. Although it's already character. What I did just made absolutely no difference. Yeah, that made no difference. You found a treasure chest in Reddit online. $100 and a gold bar. Good job, man. Well done. I think you got that because you leveled up to level 10. Every 10 levels you get a treasure map. Okay. Yeah, that made no difference. Hello, Frog. Didn't see you there. How are you doing, Frog? I haven't seen you in the Discord server. Ah, okay. So if I use the constructor of the string, that would work. Wait, what was it again? Okay. This might work. Let's give it a go. That's not gonna work. I put an I there. These problems are easy, okay? It's just the syntax I need to learn. There's a lot of weird issues with characters and integers and strings. Cannot be narrowed from type int to char. Ah, wait. I'll figure that out after. For now, let's just debug what this is. No? Insert an explicit cast to silent this issue. No way it's giving me the answer. That's crazy. You can't add to answer when answer has no initial value. It does. Answer is initialized on line 7 to 0. When you put the curly braces, it initializes it automatically to 0. So it has a default value. Anyone in chat good at DSA? I think Linux is good and original. Linux and original should be good. I am not good at DSA. I have not started learning it yet. Man, I'm in your boat trying to learn C++, but I'm so bad at it. Yeah, I wish you good luck, man. Wish you good luck. The recursion is killing you. Don't let it kill you. Don't. You'll survive. It'll only take about a few years of torture and pain until you start accepting the torture that C++ provides. Linux, I mean, I would expect it. We both finished struggle yet. Let's have a competition. Who's gonna struggle the most? Me. Linux, we all know you're a senior software engineer, okay? We all know that behind that computer screen you're a very, very senior software engineer. They make you a banana cake? No. You shall not eat the banana cake. You're gonna help now. You're gonna help now. Anyway, back to this, right? I think if I use the new keyword, I'm thinking in the C# mindset right now. Is this how you do in C#? No. Lots of languages muddling up in my brain. Yeah, Linux works at NASA. She's a senior software engineer. Something, I don't know. Alright, I think I'm gonna throw my PC out the window. I don't know. That might solve the problem. Oh! I'm sorry for everyone that got flashbanged. My condolences go out to you. Let's try this again, right? The character structure in this language is really annoying. Really annoying. What exactly do you want to know? I'd like to know the answer to life. I want to know the meaning to life. Can you give me that answer, please? Should I do it DSA or not? Yes, you should. Mohammed, welcome. Long time no see. Mohammed, yes, we're in the same position. I really got to solve this problem. Oh, no way. I think I just found a solution in my head. If I do I and then wait, 0 plus I minus 1 minus 1 plus I and then I. Right. Wait. string num at position I. Alright, you guys think I'm gonna be doing a bunch of waffle right now, but let's see if it works. DSA is very important. You need it for software engineering, man. Damn, original just flexing on me. Guys, if you wanna like glaze original right now, he did it in 100 milliseconds. You know what I mean? Oh, bro, don't give me the answer, you melon. If you give me the answer, I'm actually gonna like punch you, bro. I'm joking. I don't punch anyone. Different data structures or algorithms help you be more efficient. That's true. That's very true. You should listen to Linux. And me. Anyway. That's not gonna work. Oh, that has to be an integer. I think I need to look at my previous stream because I had the answer there. Oh. I forgot to use the pen. Let's try this again. I'm stuck in my Pythonic mindset. Oh wait, no. I know I've been doing wrong this entire time. I've been trying to add a string to an integer. Fake. Oh, it's for the FizzBuzz, alright. In your opinion, should one focus on development side of things or DSA for a job? Both. I mean, I'm focusing on development side. But you should do both. Yo, Gabe, as a senior, I just want to tell you that you're on the right track, man. Just keep it up, never give up. Thank you, Sanatan Dive. I appreciate the sentiment. Hey, leave this senior alone. We're all gonna be seniors one day. We love the seniors. We learn from the seniors. And yeah. Seniors are important to us, man. Linux, why'd you say my name? Why'd you call me? Just do %10 till it exists. %10? What does that mean? Yeah, just do %10 and then /10. What? Modulo 10? Why are we using modulo? Wait, let's see if this is... Let's try with this one. Three modulo 10. It's 3. No, it's 1. Divided by 10. 0.1. What? I don't get what you guys are trying to tell me. I would give 0.1. I'm stuck on it because the syntax is the problem. The logic, I understand it, just the syntax. I could do it in Python in like 2 minutes. Yeah, using modulo works, but if the number has more than 3 digits, will it still work? Well, we could just use length to calculate how many digits we add on to the 10. But I still don't know what you guys are talking about with the modulo. Since it says you should do it without any loops. No, that's a follow-up. That's like after you complete it normally. That's a... it's a challenge. Guys, I'm literally only stuck on the syntax. Yeah, I know modulo gives the remainder. But I don't get what the remainder has to do with this. We're trying to add 3 and 8, and then that gives us the next answer, which is 11. And then we do 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. And then we return that, because that's a single digit. It wants us to return a single digit. So what does modulo have to do with this? Wait, what? Been a lovely stream. Hey Will, it's been a long time, man. I don't even know why this is working. Divide and divide. You love watching LeetCode? I'm glad you love watching LeetCode. Divide n by 10 to get the leftmost digit and add the repeat process. You can do it with loops, but it's just asking as a follow-up. I don't know why I pressed submit, that's obviously not gonna work. Somehow I passed 111 test cases with this false answer. This website is crazy, bro. Okay, I just hard coded in the answer and it worked. Anyways, so divide n by 10 to get the leftmost digit, but that only works if there's only 2 digits. If there's 4, look at the constraints down here, man. It's 2 to the power of 31. If locking in, if you better lock in, man. 2 to the power of 31, right? Let me just like show you how big this number is. It's a pretty big number. You know? Of looking in. Alright, anyways. So n divided by 10. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Okay, I'll just try a method. Check other solutions and learn from them. No, that's cheating. That's cheating. Oh, wait. I mean, after doing it yourself. Yeah. No, you're just advocating Linux. You're advocating cheating. I think I might get my mods to ban you. Where is your place in the chat? Let me show you to the answer to that question. Original is currently winning. Then we got Barham. Then Mohammed. Linux, you are failing. Failing. I'm assuming you are fairly new. To C++, yeah. But I've been programming in Python for 3 years. 3-4 years. You barely said anything. Yeah, original. I think it works that we can't ban Linux every stream. Of course we can. It's my stream. Can ban anyone. Thank you. I'm not Splix. Yeah, original. So I think it works. The earlier you are to the stream, the more XP you get. I'm guessing. Okay. Oh, because I'm such a good boy, yeah. Watching also grants XP. Oh, okay. Fair enough. Num modulo 9 equals 0. Why are you moduloing 9? I'm actually so bad at programming. It's disgusting. No, I'm not gonna try that, man. I gotta think of the solution myself, otherwise it don't work. The chat is the interpreter. I mean, look. Let me draw out what I'm trying to do. Because the logic I have makes sense. It's just this silly language. Don't help me. Right, so we have, let's say 38, right. If we do num position 0, that should return, if it's a normal language, 3, right? But it's not a normal language. It's a silly language. So it returns a car. And then for some reason, this turns into ASCII. Why? I don't know. God knows. This turns into ASCII. So then 3 becomes... What's 3 in ASCII? It's... Why are we on extended ASCII? Just go normal ASCII. 3 turns into 51, okay? That's where we get the 51 from. So then we ask ASCII to string C++, and then Google should give the answer, but it's not. It's not. Then we're back to square one. You guys see what I'm trying to do? Yeah, and then I ask it a billion times how to turn from ASCII to string. I can't find the answer. Static cast car. Who's messaging me? Original, I am not glazing you after that horrible sentence you just said. In fact, I'm gonna expose you. Everyone be prepared. This full-grown man, right? Fully grown man just called me daddy. I don't think anyone needs to be explained. Also, welcome Sanatan Dive to the Discord server. Did it again. 31 seconds, yeah, well done. You did do the same thing. Yeah, look, the thing is, right, I did static cast, but it didn't work. So let's try this one then. Static number, answer plus equals static cast car. No. Why are we turning it into a car? Okay, let's see if this works. No, it doesn't. Why is it stuttering just only me? Yeah, I think it's just you. It's not stuttering on my end. Maybe ask GPT for alternatives for the string I syntax that returns string instead of car. That's true. If you do modulo 10, you pop the last digit of the number off the back and accumulate. Original, I'm always overcomplicating. But look, right? This isn't complicated, right? But yeah. I mean, it's simple, man. The indexing is really silly, though. It's gone now. I wonder what happens. Anyway, I'll return to the shadows if you need me. I'll just be watching. Okay. Okay, Will. Why does your loop have a curly bracket in it? Because that's how it is in C++. In C++, you just add the curly braces. Sounds more like a threat. I mean, yeah. Guys, don't do anything silly in the chat. Will's gonna mess you up digitally. Yeah. Yeah, so that did nothing. Let's try car. I welcome Merco Mas. We got 2 mods in the chat now. You guys better be on your best behavior. Can you just do this? For int, that's what I did. But no, you have to do you have to add the -1 at the end. Because, Ahmed, I don't know what you mean. I don't know what you mean. I don't get how the modular operator will benefit us in any way. How does getting the remainder help solve this problem? I don't get it. You always have a horrible mem score, and I'm convinced it causes the type deaths I make at the start. If you don't understand, see the FizzBuzz screenshot I sent before. Mem score. Use log 10 for the loop, +1. I'm convinced you're trolling now. I'm convinced you guys are trolling. It's converting it to ASCII. I want to convert it to a integer. Use a hash map. Hash maps don't exist. You gotta like include in a header file. Okay, let's try this method. I don't think it's gonna work. When did you start coding? Welcome, Summit. When did I start? 3 years ago. In Python. In C++, like a couple months ago. I start every C program with this. I guess that for that reason affects the output, not just the compile. Yeah, I don't know why you do that. All of those type defs, it's not needed. It's not needed. Bro, where'd you get S from? Oh, it's the integer. Are you interested in competitive programming? No way, Jose. Because int32 is easier to understand than int. I do not think I32 is easier to understand than int. I mean, clearly we all got different brains here. But U8 is easier to understand than car. Yeah. It's competitive programming if you actually compete in a competition. Guys, I think I'm the worst programmer now. This syntax is killing me though. It's absolutely killing me. You are the worst ever. You are better than you were yesterday. True. You can never be the worst. This might be the best motivation ever. Yeah. Thank you, Will. I appreciate it. Have you tried Java? I have. I have 5 years ago. When I was 12 years old, I tried Java. I tried making Minecraft mods for my Minecraft server. I hate it. I hate Java. I'm never touching that again. I still have a book of Java on my shelf, but I'm not touching it. I guess you gotta wrap it in another while loop. Okay. I don't know why you're talking about logarithms. Ah, Jace, please. Do not put the answer in the chat, please. Please remove that. I only accept hints, not the full answer. Thank you, Will. I know I'm a bit slow, but you guys gotta be a bit patient with me if you're watching the stream. I mean, I think that works. What if I do that? That's not gonna work. Let's make a compiler in brainfuck, sure man. Jace, I've been doing C++ for like a few weeks, like a month or something. Not that good yet. C++ is just C but better, man. What can I say? Okay, so let's see. What did my AI say? My favorite AI. So you convert from character int, you subtract 0, which is 48. Your code already does the thing correctly. Alright, so whoever said that in the chat, that was good. Thank you. But you've got logic bug in your loop. -1 means you're ignoring the last digit. You want to process... Come on, man. That's what I did at the beginning. Ah, wait, I did it. That is the correct answer. So I had the correct answer at the beginning, like, of the stream. I just added a -1 for some reason. Because I thought it had to be 0 indexed. Where is it? Let me show you what I mean. Wait, I was thinking of a different problem. Okay, forget what I just said. It doesn't make sense. I was waffling. Okay, so... Okay, I don't need AI, man. I don't need that. Let's try this again. Now, I just gotta repeat that until the length of it is 0, right? So, while the string num.length is not equal to 1, then do this. Right, and then at the end I just return it, right? I think that should work. Is that an overflow error? Guys, this is a spectacular moment in history. I got my first overflow error. That is so cute. Going back to my dev, this leak code is not my cup of tea. I love JavaScript. Alright. Fair enough, standard time. I am actually learning JavaScript as well for my college course. But who knows? I might do that on the channel as well. See you next time, standard time. Have a good night. Who's first now? Original's first, and Linux is second. JavaScript isn't a must. It's just a... like, it's good to know, man. It's good to know. It's not a must. I mean, every developer, in my opinion, every developer should know like the basics of HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I mean, they're not difficult. They're really simple languages. You know what is a must? You know what is a must? Assembly. Assembly is a must. We all gotta learn that one. Intel architecture. Okay, what's going on here? So overflow error. Let me ask my trusty, whatever his name is. Answer variable is type int, and in some tests, no way. Really? I've never had this error in my entire life before. The integer data type doesn't store enough bytes to store the actual answer. That is sick. Right. I've never had to do that before. Ah. So this one's telling me to use modulo as well, but I'm gonna scroll up so I don't see the answer for a sec. I still don't get what modulo is here for. Let's see if this works. Time limit exceeded. Ah, wait. I know what's going on here. The length of the string never changes. That's my bad. I forgot to do that. So, oh. I've got another way of checking. So, if answer is less than 10, right? I think that should be it. No, that's not gonna be it. That's not gonna be it. Oh, what is it? I know what modulus means, I just don't get how it's used in this context. I mean, it returns the remainder, but then what? What do I do with the remainder? Original, I was joking, you know. Not a must to learn assembly. Yeah, you sometimes have to use long as data type where int fails. Modulus. The time complexity of code is O(n)² so it has to be slow. Modulus is basically the disabled sibling of division. In a while loop, you gotta make sure there's no infinite loop. Wait, why is there 4 2 loops? Huh? Why 2 for loops? There's only one for loop. There's one for loop, brother. What are you talking about? It's one for loop. There's a while loop though. Well, we're close to 290 subscribers. Can we reach it this stream? 2 loops. Yeah, but you said 4 loops. Learn to spell next time then. The remainder of will be 1 digit, always the last digit, least significant. This is a hint. Okay, let's just ask again. Explain clearly what the modulus operator does and how to use it. I'm just gonna ask it in case I missed any information. It's used to get a reminder, yeah, that's what I said. After dividing an integer by another. Yeah, 10 modulo 3 is 1. 17 modulo 5 is 2, yeah? 8 modulo 4 is 0. It only works with integers, not floating points. Yeah. Yeah, I literally used this in my FizzBuzz at the start of the stream. Yeah, it's the leftovers. It hasn't taught me anything new. Will delete my chat. I never said that. What did Will delete? He didn't delete anything. You're waffling, Linux. Log 10 n plus. What is log 10? What does log mean? I don't know logarithm, man. We haven't learned about logarithm in my school. Modulus 10 of any number will return the least significant digit. So what does that mean? The one on the right? Oh yeah, it is the one on the right. Because it starts from 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, etc. Okay. While the 10 /10 will move to the next least significant digit by deleting the first one. Ah, okay. Wait, how do we wait. How did you get 34? How'd you get 34? You said it was 24. Bro, where did you get 34 from? Oh, okay. Ah, wait. No, but you said it was 24. You said it was 24. 348 divided by 10 is not 24. Is that a typo? Yeah, you made a typo, okay. We use it to reverse a digit, okay. So then... Guys, I'm so cooked. Why are you reversing a digit? I don't think I need that. In the context of the question, the orientation of the digit doesn't matter. It allows you to take each digit individually. You can plus them together. In modulus, your answer is a remainder, and in divide, your answer is quotient. Yeah, makes sense. I mean, I want to do it the modulus way. I'm just trying to wrap my head around it. I am absolutely not cooking. Guys, I think I should give up. I'm joking. I never give up. That was a bad joke. Seriously. No way, bro just said meow. Moki took you long enough. How late? You're 2 hours late, nearly. This guy's 2 hours late. You got 11, which is correct. Yeah, step 1 is correct, but that after that it exits the for loop, so I can't use it again, right? Would I just do it again? Let's see. I mean, I just want to test out. No. Just big. How do I use log? It's 3 AM for you. That is crazy. You should go back to sleep then. Imam Nato. No, Kamas, what language is that? Log. That's not valid syntax. Is it? There's no function called log10, you melon. There's no such function. What are you talking about? Math.h. Okay, well, you missed that step out, didn't you, original? You missed out quite an important step. Let's try this one then. So, think. Oh, wait, I got a new keyboard. Where's the hashtag? Yeah, okay. Include. Well, it's not a new keyboard, it's just another old one. Still broken. So, what do I put in here? What's X? Is it the length? What's X? Yeah, what, bro? We have quite a few numbers here. Which number? Maybe it's I. It's pretty funny. Yeah. It's because I got a overflow error, I think. That's what it's called. Tell me you can do it in 2 lines of code. I respect your opinion, but Ritu Parana, but I'm doing this for fun, honestly. Problems like this are fun to me. Obviously, when I can get them working. So we're plussing here and then minusing here. What's the point? And instead of 10, he's using 9. ChatGPT is good to teach me my mistakes. If you use it as a learning tool, it's good. Original, I just did that for the content. The ultimate debugger, yeah, exactly. Pretty sure original is a teenager. Is it my first time with C++? I've been using it for a couple months now. 1-2 months. I had a month break though when I went on holiday. You look like a little child. What did I use before C++? Python. Python for a few years. You must be Asian. You're a femcel? Alright, Mirko Mas. Have a good night. See you next time. Original, I know why you're the femcel dream. Did you build some cool projects? No. No, I didn't. I did in Python actually, yeah, but I showed them out in previous streams. I made like a Duolingo automation tool in Python by myself with PyAuto GUI. I made some stuff, but I don't want to show it now. I got to focus on this problem. I showed it on previous streams. If you can go check it out. Fuck, why is it so hard? Why is it so hard? Give me a hint. Give me a hint. A naive implementation of the above process is trivial. Could you come up with other methods? What a brilliant hint! What a brilliant hint! Crazy. What are the possible results? How do they occur periodically? Randomly? Digital root. Bro, what is this? What is this? Oh, we're becoming engineering students now. What the hell? Oh, nah, what is this? Bro, why is there so much maths? Bro, what on earth is this, bro? Oh. Let's read it. The digital root, also repeated digital sum of natural number. A given radix. Is the single digit value obtained by an iterative process of summing digits. Okay. That's what we're doing. On each iteration, using the result from the previous iteration to compute a digit sum. Yeah, that's what we're doing. The process continues until a single digit number is reached. Yeah, that's exactly what we're doing. For example, in base 10, that's from numbers 0 to 10. Digital root of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 6. Oh yeah, because wait, what? Wait, let's get the calculator out. Let's get the calculator out. Right. And then 21, 2 plus 1 is 3. How is the answer 6? Ah, I added 6 by accident. Wait, 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. So 1 plus 5. Okay. Wait, I just got an idea. My carpet is messing me up. I've got an idea. What if I use a for each loop, right? What if I just do that? I don't need to use an index. Right? Let's try this. But it's not an int. What is it? Oh, string. Let's see if this even works syntactically first. Bull? Bro, what? Never thought a hint would be so ruthless. GG, yeah. GG's in the chat. It's a nightmare. Create a function, calculates the sum in a loop, keep calling the function until the result of the function is less than 10. Look, that logic, right? Look, I understand the logic, guys. You're not understanding me, right? It's the syntax I don't understand. I don't understand the syntax. I don't know it. That's the only problem. Yeah, original first place now. Try using recursion. Recursion. I don't think recursion is needed right now. Just me. Wait, what? Just me off did Hoovy just cope with accessing outbound memory in general out the Discord server. What? Bunch of waffle. Why write stdc out when you can just write c out by including namespace std? Because it's bad habit. For auto it string number. To understand recursion, you need to first understand recursion. That's my favorite quote of the stream. Well done, you. Plenebre. That's my favorite quote. Oh, what? You're not allowed to initialize it, okay. Bro. Requires it. You just told me to not put an initializer. How on earth did I get 380? Bro, what? Oh my days. This program is so cooked. Auto is pretty bad habit, yeah, but in this scenario, I think it's fine. So where's it getting 0 from? Oh wait, is 0 the like end line character? It's the end. It's the end character, isn't it? I can't end the stream until I figure this problem out. I should have ended it an hour ago though. Why are we working with strings when the question is an integer? I just did that for debugging purposes only. That's purely for debugging. I have no idea what you're trying to accomplish. Basically, I'm trying to do this leak code problem, which I can easily do in Python in 2 minutes, but I can't in this programming language because I don't understand the syntax. That's basically it. Return answer always 0. I'm just debugging right now, Morky. This isn't the real answer. I just wanted to see how the for each loop would work. Now, if I say type of C, I want to see what it is. Type ID. Where did I get type of from? I think I'm confusing it with another language again. Dot name, okay. I thought it would give it to us automatically, but guess not. Line 14 print 0. When will I stream next? Well, it depends when I finish work and college. I stream most days of the week though. If you put a notification bell on, you'll see. You'll see it when. But it's most days of the week. See how it's like a bad implementation of printf, but it can do multiple types. It will all work. C is the best. Yeah, original. You have someone else that has the same mindset as you. And line in the above is the equivalent of /n. Yeah, I get that. Car star. Mocky, why are you bringing pointers into this? Why are you talking about pointers? You're getting main monitor privileges now. Crazy. Crazy, bro. This is this is making me angry. This is so painful to watch. I know that feeling too good. Yeah. Tozu, there is no one in this stream that's angrier than me. But if you want a competition, we can have one. What you work? What do I work? I can't say that. That will basically DOS myself. Type of C. Yeah, that's what I meant to do. Type of was supposed to work. Right? No. Where did I get that from? What was it? There is no way I just randomly thought of this function called type of and it doesn't even exist. I mean, I definitely saw it somewhere. I didn't just make it up. I'm not schizophrenic. Do you have Python version that works? Might be interesting to have them side by side. What, should I solve it in Python first? Oh no, did I just delete all my code? No, I didn't. Okay, it's fine. Let's see. Let's see it. Num isn't a thing. Bro, what am I doing? I put length in twice. Oh, I'm such a silly guy, bro. This hurts to watch. Yep. I agree with you. It hurts to be in this situation. Let's do... Just gonna test if it works. Yeah, free it. Okay. Let me just do answer plus equals. Okay, we got 11 again. Now we just got to repeat it some number of times. I can't keep my word, can I? Don't convert to string. Why not? Wait. I've got a crazy idea. Drink water. There's none left. Got a lot of not yet, which is insane. Yeah, I'm trying to solve the problem on the left. Come on, I thought it'd be easier in Python. Wait. Do I just keep on checking? Is that gonna work? How is that wrong? Int has no length. Ah, it's because I didn't convert it to string anymore. Wait, no, I can't do that. Try that one. Don't know how on earth I'm getting 304. Coding this as we speak, my C++ is rusty, probably because of the Rust I've been coding in lately, yeah. I'm in that same situation with Python. My Python is rusty because I've been doing just C++ and yeah, for quite a long time now. Keep going. Yeah, I will. Try my best, Hugo. Marquez. Thanks for the encouragement. I appreciate it. I gotta open the window, one sec. Okay. I wish I could have the chat so I don't have to turn my head 90 degrees every time I want to look. Can I pop it out? I think I could leave it here. Make sure you vote in the chat, by the way. Can I pin this? No? Right, whatever. Python and C++ channel is crazy. Well, it's not a C++ channel, it's a programming channel. Well, look on my previous videos. Literally all I have is Python. All of my videos are in Python. Just view the digital root solution. I understand nothing. You understand nothing? Let's read it together, shall we? This is basically it. 1 plus n minus 1. Right, everyone calm down. Let's try it from the beginning. In base 10, the digital root of number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 6. Yeah, we calculated that earlier. No, look, listen to the thought process. If you convert all of that into a string, and then add all of them up, and then repeat that until the length of that the original number is less than 2, then you return that answer. Your Python almost died. You gotta keep the Python alive, man. Keep it alive. Python always fun to have. Python's like, it's really fun. In base 10, this is equivalent to taking out remainder upon division by 9. Why are we using 9, bro? Where'd you get 9 from? Except where the digital root is 9, where the remainder upon division by 9 will be 0, which allows it to be used as a disability rule. Okay. You think you have a grasp on the problem? Well done, you. Don't make me sad. I almost forgot all other languages after I started using C. Fair enough. Alright guys, let's quickly and simply implement this formula. Let n be a natural number. LeetCode had the cheek, right? They had the cheek to send me this Wikipedia link to say, this might help you. This might help you. Anyway, I'm going to get back. I'm going to be back in a minute. I'm going to fill up my water because my mouth's as dry as the Sahara Desert. So 1 minute. BRB. Don't leave or I will find you. Okay. Okay, I went for like 2 minutes. Half the stream, half the viewer base is gone. That's crazy. It's okay. Me and me and 6 people left. Let's see. So, might is an overstatement. No, it's not helping. Sorry about the flood. No, don't be sorry. I appreciate it. Wikipedia is just a boring book, but online. It's a useless book, but online. That's what it is. Oh wait, I got a message on Discord. Okay, it was a false ping, my bad. Not my bad, but yeah. So now loop over it. 0 to +1. No. -1. I gotta int it. Oh wait, my bad. I meant to do that. Who's pinging me? We hope to split up the problem. One problem is the sum of the digits. Then you call input equals sum digits input. The other is looping input equals sum digit input until you got single digit input. Okay, so you're using recursion. I get it. Recursion would work, yeah. How have I gotten 2 then? How have I gotten 3? You don't use recursion? Oh, it sounds like you were. The length one is wrong. Okay. Let's see. Is it +1? I think it's +1. Oh, right. So we got 11 again. We're back to the original answer. Yeah. You have the sum of the digits and the looping until the amount of digits is 1. So this is the first step is complete, right? Because 3 + 8 is 11. And then I just do that again. If, and then where is it? Okay, the result is taking a long time, so that is giving me you need to reset string num that case, yeah. But I have to create a new string, which means a new variable, because strings are immutable in Python. rstrip. The logic works, it's just the syntax. It works, man. It wants me to create... I gotta create a new variable for each one. So that makes the while loop redundant because... Yeah. Will, you should go sleep. Man, I should have ended the stream at 9 PM. I thought it was gonna be a nice problem. You go to sleep, Will. That's completely fine. I'm gonna stay up and continue torturing myself. Good night, man. The version I have here doesn't convert to string. It checks the length of the result by going less than 10. It sums the digits by repeatedly looking at the last digit. Yeah, but the result starts at 0, so by default it's going to be less than 10. You know? You can still set string num to new value even if it's immutable. Ah, yeah. Oh yeah, that's true. I can just reassign it. That is so smart. Why didn't I think of that? Am I familiar with modulo math? Well, modulo, yeah. But not in this context, man. String num is string num and then what is it? rstrip. No, what am I doing? Equals from 0 until the last character excluding that one. We should try this. Index out of range. Yeah, we're just using floats, not integers. No, we're just using integers, not floats. Alright, 1, 2, 3 modulo 10 is 3. 1, 2, 3 divided by 10 is 12. 12 divided by 10 is 2. Yeah, that makes sense, man. I'm not sure how to set it up. The logic makes sense. Only thing I'm struggling with is syntax. 2 comment to go basically show how to sum individual digits. Comments? What comments? You could probably set string num to int answer at that point after the for loop, but within the while loop. It'd have to be a string because we're accessing the length. Let's try that. What am I doing? Why'd I write? Okay, you guys can clearly tell I'm really tired. So I put length in there instead of answer. I think it's gonna take too long. It's, yeah, time limit exceeded again. It's possible to convert to string, then convert digits back to integers, yeah. 3, okay, so we got 11. 12, 13, 14, 17. We skipped 16. What on earth is going on? Alright. Good night, Linux. Also, you reached number 1. Place number 1. Good night. No, because then it just replaces the answer with the last digit. So I have to use the plus. Linux, it's a sign. It's a sign you gotta stay on the stream later. And then original just stole your place. Like a true Romanian. No. No, Linux, I'm not gonna do that. If you wanna beat him, you gotta type more. Fair and square. Turn 0. What on earth is that emoji? You got that straight from hell. So half the problem is to write a function that gives a number. It sums its digits. Yeah. Original, stop simping. Linux is not gonna punish you. You simpy boy. You absolute simp. Alright. I'm gonna make a nested function, because you can do that in Python, but you can't do that in C++. Okay, so add digit. No, that's already sums. Alright. Don't need that anymore then. I think I can put this there. Wait, original, you've been simping on a boy this entire time. Original, you've been thinking that Linux was a boy, and you've been simping that hard. That is beautiful. Okay, you know, I don't judge, right? This is the official announcement. The original is homosexual. Obviously, like, don't matter to me, don't matter to anyone. But like, you know what I mean? If you have the number, you can get its last digit of modular number 10. Yeah, number modular 10. Yeah. Then if you divide the number by 10. What do you mean null? What do you mean null, bro? Oh, I didn't return anything. Bomber clap. Alright, try that again. This is so awful. Yeah, I've been on Python for like the past 10 minutes. So I wanted to see if I can get the logic out in my preferred language and then switch out to C++ after. But let's see, if this returns 11, then that should be correct. 1. I forgot to index into the thing, man. Wait, I don't even need to do that. This is Python. I can just iterate through the actual string. I don't need to use an index. But this way it should work as well. Okay, we got 11, so that works. So the next one is just do the modulus thing. Get the last digit and the first digit. It worked. It worked. How many views you got on Twitch? I'm not streaming on Twitch. I tried streaming on Twitch once, it didn't work. Well, no, it worked, but like... Linux, I thought you said you're going to sleep. Did you lie to me? Right, that's it, Linux, you're getting banned. You're getting banned, you lied to me. It works, I mean. Earn your success. What a amazing YouTube channel. You do programming as well. Check this one out. None of this makes sense. Oh, you're learning Python as well? Well, good luck to you in your journey, my brother. I hope you make it out. So the only thing now that you put in the answer is a loop about until answer less 10. At this point, I'll dream about add digits. Meow.
Meow. Meow.
Okay, that's enough. How are we doing today? Amazing, amazing. I mean, I should have ended the stream literally 2 hours ago. But I need to solve this problem. I need to solve this problem. That's gonna fail, by the way, yeah. So we got 1,000 test cases done. Just this one, okay. So what's next? To be honest, the puzzle pieces are beginning to fit together for the digital world. I don't know. Don't think so. Your brain is decomposing. Don't dream about number 1 because that's mine. Arf. Bro. Can we be humans, please? Where is he? Where is he? Kleine Bre. Kleine Bre, my brother, please. Continue commenting in the chat. What was that thing about the modulus he said? Do I put it in a for loop? Or a while loop? Can be for, can be while. I think while would be good. While I don't jump out the window, this problem is gonna get solved. Yeah. Got school in 6 hours, but I won't sleep. I'll do that on the table like a real man. You're not a man, original. You're a little teenager. I haven't thought much, but while the power of 10 of the number is greater than 1 seems alright. Sum is 0. While sum is 0. Sum is supposed to be 0. Yeah, it is, yeah. You're pretty much an alpha male. While you still have a digit to process from the input, grab the last digit from the input and add to that sum. Or do I put sum as like a global variable? And then so cool. Linux went to sleep, by the way. Linux is gone. You're staying until you get your place back. Don't like the lies that's going on here. You said you're going to sleep. Klein, you want me to put the 0 is a global variable, isn't it? So then I just do that one. I want to solve it with brute force. Oh, what is this? Wow. I really want to go to sleep. I got college tomorrow. Gotta wake up at 7. Instead of sealing places, help gave with the problem. How much recursive programming have I done? Well, a lot, but in Python I have done quite a bit. Well, I haven't programmed in Python since like my my college exams, which was how many? 4 months ago. 4 months ago. I need to learn how modulo 9 fixes everything, but I'm too dumb. Modulo 10. Yeah, someone's saying modulo 9, someone's saying modulo 10. And Wikipedia is also saying modulo... What's it? Modulo 9. What the hell is going on? Do you have a Python terminal? Yep. Oh. Don't look at my source code. Why do I need a terminal? Use mod 10 for recursive, use mod 9 for the formula. Let me try to give you the understanding. So define a program that adds the mod 10, then divide and floor, and then recall the function. So integer division then. On a Python terminal. Linux, you're taking a piss. I'm not solving that mathematical equation from Wikipedia. In C++, it will be the same. Well, the syntax won't. You just woke up. Crazy. Go back to sleep. I'll show you why I need the terminal. Okay, fine. Oh, what do you mean? Because of the instant feedback it gives you. Where is the C++? I was lied to. It was at the start of the screen. Rewind to the like half an hour ago. How does it feel this is a valid solution? If n equals 0 to tenant. Yeah, that's what ChatGPT gave me, but I don't understand. That's the same answer ChatGPT gave me, but I'm not gonna use it if I don't understand it. That's not learning. Thanks for the good luck. Mod 9 basically makes all tenths and hundreds default to 0. Still don't get it. Tenths and hundreds. What, like the tenths column and the hundreds column. 30 mod 9 is 3. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. And 10 mod 9 is 1. Yeah. 100 mod 9 is 1. Okay, so input mod 10 plus sum 8. Okay. I wish I'd make it bigger, but I don't think I can. Oh, I can make it bigger. Can I make it dark? Choose color. Alright. So if the last digit of input is 8, so if you do say sum plus equals input plus 10. That adds the last digit of the input to the sum, yes? Sum is still 0. Sum equals yeah. But how do we add the 3? Leave CBT and Joyer alone, man. He ain't done nothing wrong to you. If you divide the input by 10 and assume integers, you're left with 3. Input divided by 10. If you do the double / that means integer division in Python. That just removes the dot 8. So then, okay. So then I do sum plus equals input divided by 10. And then sum is 11.8, wait. Oh, fuck's sake. I forgot to do the integer division. Okay, so it's 11. Now I just repeat that again. You don't want to know what CBT stands for? CBT stands for compulsory basic training. That's how you get your motorcycle license in the UK. And it also means cognitive behavioral therapy. From 38 you get to 11 and then you repeat that. Yeah, but how do you know? The question is how do you know how many times you repeat it? when you have nothing left to add. If what you need to add equals 0, then you're done. In it. In it, bruv. So you can stick that in a for loop and break out when you hit 0. When what hits 0? What, the last digit? When this one hits 0. Or this one. Or the sum. There's 3 possible scenarios. Well, 2. Oh, I'm glad you're from the UK. It's literally just me and you. We're the only people from the UK. I appreciate the help, Kleiner. Sound pretty British. Yeah, man, I've lived here my entire life. Alright. Wait, I don't get it. Add equals 0. What if what you need to add equals 0? Let's see if it works again. Add. Input is 38. And we store that in sum. What? What, cuz? What the fuck? Python or C++? Haskell. Java, actually, Java. Okay, this is clearly wrong. Cannot access local variable sum. This is so broken. Not because you probably already drank the tea. No. Yeah. Oh, fair enough. Oh, that's some lyrics right there, man. You sure you're not Shakespeare in disguise? I go add. A equals add. 38. I think I'm gonna end the stream. I might just like jump off the cliff. I was doing C++ earlier. Ah, but what you want? Multi-digit numbers, mate. You want multi-digit numbers, mate. Mate. If you end the stream, then Linux will never be number 1. That sounds like Linux's problem. I don't know Python. Do you need a type declaration? No. In Python, you don't do that. It's dynamically programmed. There's no point of the loop if I can't even get the function to work in the first place. That's correct, that's correct. Input, which is 38. It's an integer. That has to work. Why isn't it not working? Where's my best friend? There. Oh, fuck. Fuck, I'm so silly. Oh my. I forgot to define it. Actual bomboclat. Absolute bomboclat. Okay, now let's try again. So let's try again. So sum is 11. So if we reassign sum to add sum, that's done. Now sum, it should be 2. I'll go back to C++ when I fix this. It is not easy as C++. I think it's because you never declare what A should be in the start yet. Why is everyone messaging me when I'm streaming, man? And when I'm not streaming, no one's messaging me. End of for loop. You're returning input. Wait, what? Wait, no. It works. It works, it works, it works. Kleine Bre, here's a high five. Oh, fuck yes. It works, it works, it works. It works. Now I need to add a for loop. Good night, Linux. People are messaging when I'm streaming. We have something in common when you're off stream then. Who's messaging? I message him during stream because I want praise because I'm a good boy. Make it work for 3+ digits. I just gotta do a for loop. You should head to bed now. Should you head to bed now? Ah, forgot the plus. Still didn't work. Oh my days. I just figured out what the problem is. I didn't use num. Wait, so I should do that once, and then every other time I should do that. Yep. It's not gonna work, is it? No. Still getting 11. We haven't gone past 11. Oh. Sometimes the most productive way to solve a problem is to sleep. Crikey. Yeah, I gotta say something real quick. In yesterday's stream, I did a delete code problem as well, and I couldn't figure out. But when I woke up, I had a fresh brain, and then I actually, like, I think within another hour, I gave myself another hour, and I actually did solve it. I solved it and I got this in C++. So that was pretty good. I think the same is gonna happen today. Return A plus add instead of just A. Yep, a fresh brain is lovely. Lovely. You think that's gonna work? Recursion will not work there. So line 12, that gives the correct answer, which is 11. This returns 11. Now I just have to keep on doing it, but I don't know what the condition should be. Your def add is close, but it doesn't deal with more than two digits. Loop for log n. Original. Original. I'm not gonna open my mouth. So you have the number 1, 2, 3. How are you gonna sum that? 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. Yeah, bro, I get that. I get that. I get all of that logic, man. Just this. The condition. I can just continuously use the add function until I have an idea. I may not have a brain, but I have an idea. 3 plus 2 plus 1. Why did you reverse it? I did this. Int add digits input. Yeah. The music ended, by the way. I didn't realize. My bad. Sum plus equals input. Yeah. Input divide equals 10. Is that it? It's reversed because I modulus 10 is the last digit. Yeah, it is. It's easy to start from the last digit. What stage are we at? Sometimes we're at stage 1, sometimes we're about to finish a problem and then we hit a brick wall. And sometimes you find out a solution doesn't exist at all, which is liberating because you can abandon the way you've been thinking. The way of thinking you've been following. Any go here? Why do you want to know, man? Bit sussy question. And in turn, that leads to a different solution, which is as good or better. Yeah. There was only one female Linux, but she's gone. She went to sleep. Anyway, I'm gonna go sleep as well. Kleiner Brett, I appreciate all of your help. I appreciate your endless patience. But it's really late. It's really late. Oh. I should have solved this 3 hours ago. I'm gonna listen to your advice about the fresh brain thing. I'm gonna give it a go. Yeah. I'm gonna solve it tomorrow in C++. Yeah. You become retarded. I hope you guys enjoyed this stream of me suffering, of me not understanding anything. But yeah. And in turn, that leads to different solutions, which is that program. Yeah, I'm in the UK, man. I'm in England. South England. I'll happily follow your suffering tomorrow again. Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm a sadist like me. Alright. I think all of my viewers are sadists. They all like suffering. They all like me suffering. But yeah. Okay then. That's gonna be it. Hope you guys enjoy the stream. Make sure to hit that like button right now. Right, go down on the video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and join the Discord server. Okay, you can get live updates and help from the community. You get to chat to other nice, like-minded people. And yeah, good night. Original, why are you saying please? Why are you saying please? Don't let the bed bugs bite. Don't let the bed bugs bite. If they do, I'll bite them back. No, they can bite. It's fine. It's fine. Good night. That's it. Good night. Good night.